Doge tax. So yeah, worky. Yay.
It's working, it's working!
Okay, so what's the plan?
Well, what I'm going to attempt is to take the antennas off of this little IA6B and put them on this IA6-C.
Okay.
I don't know if it's actually going to work, but I found a little bit of information, and theoretically I should be able to see some solder pads and whatnot, and hopefully I can, you know, not screw it up too terribly bad.
Well, they are the same bandwidth. They're at both 2.4 gig receivers, so the antennas should be valid.
That would be the idea. I just have no idea how they're fastened on or any of that. I looked and couldn't really find much information, so. But this huge plastic thing on this little tiny thing.
Yeah.
Okay, these are soldered on.
Can I see?
Yeah, let me pull this back a little bit.
Yeah, so it looks like it's just those first two solder pads, right?
That's the idea.
Which one's live and which one's ground?
That's a good question. Okay, so let's get this cardboard off of here. Just hoping not to screw things up too bad. Not teabag and whatnot.
Mm-hmm.
Threw it on the ground. Okay, it looks like these connectors are exactly the same.
Excellent.
So, let's pull off the solder. The solder. Little table protector that doesn't mean anything.
Desolder your stub.
Wow, that actually looks pretty good. Solder.
Yep.
Typically on the other side of Charlie from me.
Typically. So if you look really close here, I don't know if it's visible in the camera. Focus, you.
Frock.
Yeah, that. Okay, so they've got the shielding with the glob of solder, they've got the insulation, and then they've got the core of the wire. So it's 2 points that are really close together that we're going to have to solder without bridging. You can do it! Probably. It's not sticking out at all, but it is this bigger solder blob.
Okay.
So if you just lay it across the two terminals and solder the center one on the second pad.
Interesting idea. We'll give it a shot, I guess.
Okay.
Like that?
Yep, just like that. Now, where's the voltmeter? Run a conductivity test between those two, make sure they're not shorted out, and we should be good to go. Looks good. What do you mean?
That's crazy. I didn't think I was that good.
Yeah, like I said, if you build a quad and get it to the point that it works,
And repair it 17 times.
well, while you're learning to fly anyway, you will get decent at soldering.
That.
That it worked?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Electrical tape.
Electrical tape. Here we go. Nicely done.
Thanks. The question is if it actually worked.
Gotcha.
Okay, last time I taped it too high and I couldn't see the actual pinouts, so I kept having to ask Charlie and it got kind of annoying.
No, that was your VTX.
No, it was this.
Oh, okay.
I had my double-sided sticky tape covering the...
Oh, gotcha.
I kept on...
Oh, is that why you kept asking?
Yeah.
I was wondering if you were
Look at the
mentally
pinout!
challenged or something,
Yeah,
because it's printed right there.
I know. Don't judge me. There you go.
Nicely done.
Let's see if I can pull this out without killing them. Hey, Charlie.
Yep.
Which way do the wires go? This is a huge pain. I probably ought to have torn this thing apart.
Probably.
But I are not that smart.
SMRT smart.
It's actually harder to do a lot of these things on camera.
Yeah. Mostly because you've got someone sitting there watching you.
And in the way.
Judging. So much
silently,
judging.
Charlie.
So much judging.
You still have yet to master the art of silently judging.
Yeah, well, I've been learning from the YouTube comment section.
Oh, Jesus.
Maybe someday we'll get some comments.
I was going to say, clearly not our comment section.
Hey, we got one.
We did?
Yeah, something about losing parts faster than a leper.
But you see, I haven't actually bought that many parts.
You missed a pin.
Yeah. I shortened it down to 3 when I was thinking about
oh,
receiver on there.
Gotcha.
So I clipped the connector.
So your failsafe works, right?
I don't know. Probably. Let's see if I can rip these antennae off. Hey, see, Charlie? No props. I'm just gonna go ahead and glue a razor blade right there.
We could put razor blades on the props and you could mow the grass better.
I did mowed the grass pretty effectively.
It actually
Where
did.
is my receiver at?
Transmitter?
Transmitter. Whatever, words.
It's over there, probably. Okay. And cut. Or not? Maybe. Yeah, nah. So that means that all of your current antennas have been resoldered at some point in time?
You recording this?
Yeah.
Yes. You know what? It points to my talent, okay?
Talent in chopping vital electronics off of your craft?
Don't need that. Didn't want that antenna anyway. I wanted these antennas. They're better.
They do actually seem to be better, and I might be tempted to do the same.
Get out of the trash, Cy. Come here. You sit. Can you say hi to the camera?
Doge tags.
Scratch your ear.
Alright, well. We should be good to go fly then, yeah?
As soon as I figure out how to get these things out of the way.
Oh, that's easy.
Chop them off.
Exactly. Alright. So yeah, worky. Yay.
It's working! It's working!